Hello, dear students of class 2nd. Myself, Mrs. Rani, welcomes you to our new academic session 21-22. I hope you all must be healthy at your places. Yes, students, again we are going to conduct online classes as we have entered into the second wave of coronavirus. All of you should be careful about you and your family's health. Wear masks, sanitize your hands, do not move out unnecessary and avoid sharing. Students, you must revise your videos or lessons regularly because it is not that you watch the video once, but it is revising them again and again. Children, you should be very careful about your handwriting, capital letters, full stop, and reading part. First of all, let me introduce you with the syllabus and books. As you all know, the syllabus has been divided into two terms, which includes first UT and first term, second UT and second term. Students, note down the syllabus in your English notebooks. English language, Chapter 7 Noun and Chapter 17 Kinds of Noun. Chapter 7 is Noun and Chapter 17 is Kinds of Nouns. Essay, A Visit to Zoo. A visit to zoo. And there is a picture composition which you have already practiced in the first class. Picture will be there. You have to frame the sentences. Grammar fun of all the chapters of reader book is also the part of English language. English literature. Chapter 1, The Little Duckling. Chapter 1 is The Little Duckling. Comprehension exercise A, B. Play with words exercise C. Spelling exercise E. And workbook exercise BC. Exercise BC. Chapter 3, Save Jamuni. Comprehension exercise A, B, C. Play with words exercise E. Spellings exercise F. And workbook exercise AB. Exercise AB. Then there is a poem, Raindrops. Poem, Raindrops. Exercise ABC. Exercise ABC. Children, first book is of English grammar, which is English 1. I hope all of you must be remembering that. English grammar is English 1 or English language. Our second book is of English reader. English reader, which is English 2 or English literature. English 2 or English literature. Third book is of English reader workbook. English reader workbook. Children, all of you are familiar with these books. Students, make sure that you all have the correct books with you. English means practicing, and you practice again and again. You will be perfect and will speak perfect English. Children, you are now students of class 2. You should be able to read the sentence yourself and frame sentence correctly. Thank you, students. In our next video, we will be doing the poem Raindrops. Try to read the poem. Students, find the meanings of the difficult words of the poem. We will be writing the essay in our English 1 notebooks. So be ready with your notebooks and books in our next class. Stay home, stay safe.